Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Alicia. Today I wanted to do a little get ready with me using the Peppermint Frost palette that I got in my Jeffree Star Deluxe Mystery Box Christmas edition. Definitely check out that video if you're interested in looking at any of the other stuff I got in it. And plus it was just a fun little unboxing, if I do say so myself. So yeah, go check that out. And don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and let's go ahead and get right into this get ready with me. Okay, you guys, hey, what's up? How are you guys doing? Comment below and let me know what you guys have been up to lately. I'm just getting ready for the Christmas holiday. I actually work on Christmas, so boo, but also, like, you know, what you gonna do? Gotta make that Christmas bonus money, even though it's not really much at all, literally. But you know what? It's all good. And Christmas isn't about money anyway. It's about sharing. It's about being with ones you love, and I get to do that pretty often. So for me, it's not a big deal that I have to work on Christmas because I can see my family whenever I want to. And a lot of other people don't have that luxury. So I feel very grateful and blessed to be able to do that. So anyway, as I said, this is from the Jeffree Star mystery box that I literally just opened last night. And I was so excited to try it out that I wanted to do a makeup look with you guys on camera today. And this is half of the Red Bull that I was drinking last night because I have a hard time finishing drinks. I don't know what it is, but my fiance will agree. Every time I open up a soda, he has to finish half of it. I don't know why. It doesn't matter the size. I only finish half of my drink. It's very weird. I don't know what it's about. But yeah, I already have my foundation. I'm baking right now, if you can see that also. And I've got my eyebrows done. So I'm just gonna do all the other little things that I need to do to get ready. Figured I'd hang out with you guys, talk a bit. And tonight is also date night. Cameron and I are going out. It's a Saturday night. So pretty excited about that. I love date night. We don't get to have them very often because we're constantly working. Hashtag, I don't know, but hashtag millennial life, I don't know. Comment below if you guys feel the same way. So anyway, we're doing date night tonight and we're going out to eat. And it's funny though, because where we're going out to eat, let me start doing my eyeshadow while I'm talking. I brought the mini breaker out just because I need a mirror, and this Jawbreaker palette here does not have a mirror. So in the Jawbreaker, oh my god, sorry, the Peppermint Frost does not have a mirror. And in the Peppermint Frost, we've got a red and white that's called Ugly Sweater. We've got a gold that's Igloo Gold, and we've got a brownish, mostly brownish chocolate ice, but it's also got specks of white. So I'm gonna try to do a makeup look using all of this. So I think I know what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put Ugly Sweater on the lid. Oh my god, that pigment is insane. Oh my gosh, you guys. That is incredible. That shine, that glimmer. Oh my goodness. Might be my new favorite palette. Holler. My eyes are gonna smell like peppermint because this palette smells like peppermint. Kind of amazing. So we're going to Market Grill, if you guys have ever heard of that. It's by, not even by, it's literally inside of Hy-Vee, the grocery store. But we've been there before and we really like it. And it's not super expensive. It's kind of like going to an Applebee's or a Chili's where it's kind of middle ground. And we just wanted to go out for a nice date night because we haven't been out in a while for one. So I wanted to do a cute little get ready with me. Oh, and also there will be a fashion portion to this get ready with me as well, because I'm going to show you guys my date night outfit that I just got from Torrid. I am living for that. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And now I'm trying to decide. I think I'm going to do chocolate ice in the crease. See how that works out. I kind of love these colors because they're very light. You don't have to worry about oh no, it's so dark and I'm going to mess up. You don't really have to worry about that. But yeah, so we're gonna go out to eat. It'll be great. They actually have like really good food at Market Grill. I definitely recommend if you guys are near a Hy-Vee, wherever you live, check it out because it is kind of awesome. And yeah, their appetizers are bomb. There's like this maple bacon thing that's literally awesome. Sorry, that's amazing. Like, it's insanely good. And after that, because it's in Hy-Vee, and usually we go grocery shopping on Sundays, but because we'll be right next to it, I was like, hey, would you mind if we just like go grocery shopping? Well, or after we eat and then come home and we can do like a movie night. And he was like, oh my God. And then I was like, please? And he was like, yeah, that's fine. So we're gonna do dinner, we're gonna go grocery shopping, you know. That's an adult date night for sure. Where's your guys' like go-to place for when you eat out? Because I feel like for a lot of people, they do have like a certain place that they go because you don't get to eat out very often. I feel like just as an average American citizen, like, I don't know. You know what I mean? Like when you're kind of middle class to lower class, I just feel like you don't get to, like money wise, you don't get to go out very often, you know? Like you don't always have money to. And so when you do, it's like very special and, you know what I mean? So like, where do you guys like to go? I kind of want to try out this Igloo Gold on my, like the highlight part of my, you just see what that kind of, oh yes, queen. Okay, I almost used this as the crease because it looked dark, but I'm glad I didn't because it is actually very, very light. And I'm going to go ahead and put this, like the first color we put on, I'm going to go ahead and put more of that on just over the lid to kind of make it super pop. Oh my goodness, you guys, if you're into like glitter and sparkle and that kind of thing, I completely recommend this look. Like, dang girl, that is a look for sure. I love this. This looks amazing. I am all about this look. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my Hoola bronzer. I don't know why I love putting on bronzer, but I really do. Like, I love the action of it. There's something about it that just makes me happy. I'm gonna do eyeliner, and then after eyeliner, I'll go ahead and... Actually, yeah, I was debating whether I wanted to highlight or do like my actual like eyes, like eyelashes and stuff first. And I think I'm gonna do the eye stuff first and then end with the highlight. So a part of me like doesn't even want to put eyeliner on, but it's really hard to hide your mistakes if you don't have eyeliner on with lashes. And I make a lot of mistakes with my lashes, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw some on. When I took my eyelashes off last night, my fake ones, obviously I don't take my, wow, okay, just never mind. But when I took my fake eyelashes off last night, literally it hurt so bad. And then when I looked at them, I had pulled off my eyelashes and I was like, okay, well, when I do my makeup tomorrow, I'm gonna have to make sure that I don't freaking get too close to my actual lashes, because, and that's never really happened to me before, where like literally it looked like as if I had waxed them off, if you know what I mean. And I was just like, wow, that has literally never happened to me before. Because sometimes it hurts, but it was never really because it like took my eyelashes off, and it didn't take as many as last night. Like last night was awful. Just like the pain from that hurts so bad. Lips will be last, which I am using my red rum for my lips, which is Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm gonna use my Baddington lashes. You guys should definitely check out my TikTok if you guys do that. What do you guys think about TikTok? Because I at first was like, TikTok's kind of stupid, and then now I am on it and I can find myself like losing hours just on TikTok, and also like watching TikToks, but then also it's like really fun to make TikToks. Like just to lip sync to stuff is really fun, but you can also like make your own videos, which is kind of cool. And yeah, I just think it's really neat. Neat. Wow, what a dorky word. But you know what I mean? Like, it's really cool. Right now it's like 3 or 4 o'clock. I'm not really sure which, but it's getting close to when we need to leave. But I also downloaded Simulacra 2 because it just came out, and I like really wanted to film me playing it, because I played Simulacra when that came out, and like it was so much fun, you guys. But nobody really watched it on my channel, and I was like, that's cool, whatever. It was fun just to play anyway. But if you guys want to check that out, it will be up soon on my channel, if not already, at least part 1, because I'm pretty sure it's going to be a long game. But the reason that I'm so excited about this one is because like it just came out, so I'm getting in on like the ground floor of playing it. I haven't watched anybody's. That's mainly why I'm excited, is because like Loey Lane plays it. I don't know if you guys watch her, but I literally watch every one of her videos, every single one. And I love her, and she's doing the game, and I was like, ooh, I can't wait to watch hers. Like, even after I play the game, like, I'm still gonna watch hers because I watch all of her videos. I think she's so entertaining. So I went ahead and did my lashes, and like I put mascara on and whatnot. And I also went ahead and took the chocolate ice, I think is what it is, the brownish one, of the eyeshadow. And I put it under my eye just to kind of like bring it down. It's so light though that you really can't tell, but like, oh my goodness, you guys, this makeup look is so pretty. For the highlight, I'm gonna use the Supreme Frost by Jeffree Star Cosmetics Frozen Peach, which I also got in my mystery box, if you're wondering. It's very sparkly rather than just being like, I don't know, there's just something about it that I just freaking like, I cannot get over. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Ruby Woo MAC lip liner though, just to, with lips that are so because this is kind of like a bright red, the red rum, and with lips that are so in your face, I definitely like to like line them just to make sure it doesn't like bleed everywhere. So yeah, I love red lips. Like I love having red lips, like getting to put on a nice like red lipstick or something. But I'm always terrified when I wear red lipstick that it's gonna be messy, and like I'm gonna mess it up, and it's gonna look like I'm 5 years old wearing my mom's red lipstick. You know what I mean? We're gonna call that good for lip liner. Go ahead and throw on my lippy sticky. Thought I lost the cat for a minute, and I was like, are you kidding me? Sometimes I'm so annoying and I just start talking in a country accent for literally no reason. The last step, dear, I swear I cannot do a get ready with me without freaking flinging something somewhere. So the red rum is a lip ammunition, I believe, because it's like in the like shape of a bullet, which is cute. It's a darker red than what my lip liner is, but this is the only red lip liner I have, so I went ahead and went with it. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like on. I like this whole look. I think it's cute, so I'm gonna go ahead and Morphe by Jeffree Star set this beige. Because we want to last all night long. Beige. Okay. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with the word beige for some reason. Alright, so this is the finished makeup look. Let's go ahead and take the hair down. Okay guys, so this is the part of the get ready with me that you see my get ready with me outfit. Outfit of the day, if you will. So outfit of the date night, actually, to be precise. So this top is from Torrid. I just got it and I love it. I got it specifically for tonight's date night. And these jeans are also from Torrid. The top is in a size 3, jeans in a size 22. They're my Eton jeans, one size bigger. So that, you know, when you get full, your pants still fit. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of the outfit. Do you like the pants? Do you like the shirt? And then this is the finished makeup look. Who is she? Okay, you guys, so this is the finished makeup look with the red rum on the lips and the peppermint frost on the eyes. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Be sure to let me know in the comments below other makeup palettes you'd like me to try out, or just different kind of makeup look inspirations you guys want me to do. I know one of you guys mentioned doing a Frozen makeup look, and I am definitely going to do that probably the next time I film. So I'm probably going to use the Blue Blood for that one, and I'm really excited to do that because I think it'll come up with a super cool like Frozen-ish look. So let me know if there's, like I said, any other kind of makeup looks that you guys want me to attempt to do or like get inspiration from. Comment below, and don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you did enjoy it, and I will see you guys in my next one.